So I got a package that I didn't know about. Red ordered me something from IAG Off-Road, I'm not sure what. I'm gonna open it without dropping it everywhere. Let's see what we got. So, need help, use support. Occasionally we need this. And then we ordered a rail with foam. Oh, it's a phone mount. How cool. Oh, we totally need this. So when we're riding in the car, one of our biggest problems to video is that whoever is in the passenger seat has to video, but it becomes a complicated thing. So I'm super excited about this. Ah, it's gonna be great. Very, very cool. It's like super heavy duty too. All right, so we've taken all of our pieces out and laid them out, and I'm gonna kind of start putting it together. This piece here goes on top of the mount that's gonna go on our dash. We're gonna use the smaller screws to go in here, and they give you a nice little Allen wrench to do that one. One of the things Rhett and I complain about when we are trail riding is that the constant bump of our hands, like on the dash, is a problem. So our video turns out like this, like it looks super crazy. This is definitely gonna help. So we're gonna put this piece here and this piece together. We already took the screw out of here. So you kind of have to force these things in too. They don't go in super easy. But just a little pressure and they pop right in. All right, after you finish that portion, you're then gonna take the camera mount itself. You definitely want these pointing towards you, so the part where the Allen wrench goes, you want them pointing towards you in case you have to make some adjustments. We're gonna use this screw here. There's not the right screw. One here. Very cool. Right. The next thing we're gonna do is mount the actual mounts or actual phone piece on here. So all we're gonna do is loosen this bottom screw. I don't think I'm even gonna take it out all the way. I think I'm just gonna loosen it and then it'll be able to pop over. But we'll see. Just remember, I'm not a mechanic, just trying. So first things first, like any girl who lives near the beach, we have to move all of our sunglasses off our dash to be able to do any kind of work on our dash. So these are mine and these are Rhett's. So we always have tons of sunglasses, and I have a sunglass holder. But yeah, there's that. Almost made a rookie move. Rhett told me very quickly that I needed to measure and make sure this thing fit where it was supposed to before I took this 3M tape off and before I put the screw in. So we like tested everything already. It fits perfectly where it's supposed to. You can see that it just kind of pops in. I do like that 3M tape, the fact that it's there, because I think it's going to make it much more secure. So go ahead and take this off. Cool. Line it up. I'm gonna put the screw in before I press down super hard on this 3M tape, just because I want to make sure that it fits like it's supposed to. It is in the right spot. Right, the next part we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this little piece out. We're going to slide it on. It slides on like a gun rail almost, and it just slides in, and you can kind of put it wherever you would like to. I think I'm gonna start with it in the center just because I think that would be best for filming. So you just take the screw, push it through, take your little Allen wrench, tighten it. Be sure not to hit your dash. I'd really hate for this Allen wrench to tear up your dash. I'd be a little sad if I had scratches. So the kit came from IAG. super simple to put on. If I could put it on, it's simple. It's about $30 for the entire kit, but I do think that it's going to be a good product for us.
Yeah, I like it. I think it's neat. You can film and have it right up on the dash, no issues.
Yeah, it's going to be really cool. So look for some cool footage to come.